Okay, so we're going to integrate x plus 5 over x squared minus 2x minus 3 with respect to x. Okay, as we can see, we can't integrate this thing, so we're going to have to do some algebra. So let's have a look at the denominator. Looks like we can factor this out. So let's have a look, let's see if we can factor this. So we've got x squared, we've got minus 3, so we need a plus and a minus. 3 is negative and minus 2, so minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 gives us minus 2. Okay, so we've factored this out, so now let's rewrite it, see what we end up with. X plus 5 over x minus 3, x plus 1 dx. Okay, that's great. So now we can start to do partial fractions. By virtue, we've got these two signs here, put those brackets there. Okay, right, partial fraction decomposition. So let's start off with the setup. X plus 5 over x minus 3, x plus 1 equals, okay, start off with the x minus 3, a over x minus 3, then we add, so the x plus 1 is next, b over x plus 1. Okay, so we've put these two terms in here on the bottom, so now we need to put them in on the top. So if we go like this, so if we multiply the a by x minus 3 and x plus 1, same here, b with the x minus 3 and x plus 1. Okay, x minus 3 there in the numerator and denominator, so we can do a cross out there, and here we've got the x plus 1, which we can cross out. So now we can write in this bit here. So we've taken care of the denominator, now we can take care of the numerator. So we've got x plus 5 equals a times x plus 1 plus b times x minus 3. Okay, great. Now this is looking like we can do this now. So we got this one to disappear, plug in x equals minus 1. So x equals minus 1. That leaves us to minus 1 plus 5 gives us 4 equals, a disappears, b times minus 1 minus 3 gives us minus 4. Therefore now we've got b is minus 1. 4 equals minus 4b. Okay, so that's good. So now to make this one disappear, we plug in x equals 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Let's plug that in. So for x equals 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4, so that gives us 4a. This one disappears. 4a equals 8. That means a equals 2. Okay, great. Let's rewrite what we've got here now at this stage as the integral and see what we got so far. So we've got the integral of, so we stop plugging the a value, so a is 2 over x minus 3, and b equals minus 1, so we now add on the integral minus 1 over x plus 1, and these are all with respect to x. Okay, so now we can integrate these pretty much straight away. We'll just tidy this one up, get the 2 out front, tidy this one up, get the minus 1 out front, and then it makes things a lot more easy for us. So we'll go up here. So this one, bring the 2 out front, 2 integral 1 over x minus 3 dx plus minus, so we've got plus minus, so we've got minus, integral of 1 now over x plus 1 dx. Okay, so now we can integrate this thing straight away now. So let's just clear up a bit on the side of the board there, get that out of the way. So this one, 1 over x minus 3, that's going to be natural log. but with the 2 out front, we've got 2 natural log x minus 3. Now, we don't know if x minus 3 is positive or negative. Because it's the log, we need to put in the absolute value. Then we've got minus 1 over x plus 1. That's just natural log of x plus 1. And again, we don't know if x plus 1 is positive or negative, so we need the absolute value. And then don't forget plus c. There we go. That is our answer. Okay.